Canon's 4660B004 EOS 60D 18MP digital SLR camera and EFS 18 to 135mm f3. 5:5. 6's lens features an improved APS-C sized 18.0 megapixel CMOS sensor for tremendous images, a DIGIC4 image processor for finer detail and excellent color reproduction. The multi-control dial enables users to conveniently operate menus and enter settings with a simple touch. It also features a vari-angle 3.0-inch clear-view LCD, 1.040.000 dots, monitor for easy low or high-angle viewing, an improved viewfinder plus HDMI output for viewing images on an HD TV all make the EOS 60D invaluable for the evolving photographer. More information, click the link in the description.